Hi guys, I'm back with another video on some easy and trendy DIY ideas. My name is Evan and I'm the Messy Jessie. Welcome to my channel. This video is all about organization, but these DIY ideas can also be used for decor. You know, the kind that help you organize but are also very good looking, so it's like two bucks in one. I wanted to make some DIYs that were easy and affordable but also very trendy. So in this video, I'm going to be using barbecue sticks. That's right. Before we start, I'm going to give you a bit warning because it's going to get a little messy because we are using glue gun. For the first DIY, I'm going to be making a notice board. These are used to organize your to-do list, your jewelry, your sunglasses, and even to display your photographs. I've seen many notice boards made out of metallic rods that are really trendy. I'm going to add some references here so you can have a look, but these are not feasible to make with metallic rods. So I was like, how can I make this? And barbecue sticks seemed like the perfect idea. For the shape of the notice board, I wanted to do something that was relatable for me. Since I'm an Aries, I decided to do my star sign. You can do anything you like, a heart shape, a diamond shape, even a simple square if you like. So let's just dive into this. I have drawn the shape onto 4 A4 papers that are taped to each other. First, I drew the outline and then connected the frame with random lines. Next, I'll take the barbecue sticks and cut them by measuring the length according to the drawing. I'll then tape the stick onto the respective line. I'm trying to keep both sides equal and cutting and taping simultaneously for both sides. The notice board will not have any curves. I'm using the drawing as a reference and not trying to make a perfect shape. First, I'll do the outer frame. Once that's done, I'm moving to the inner connected lines. I'm also overlapping the sticks where required. This will give more dimension to the frame. Then I will glue these together. Make sure to glue all the joints. Place something heavy on the frame if required. Once this side is dry, I'll turn it around and glue the back. Once dry, I'll spray paint it. I'm using a black spray. Make sure to spray both sides nicely. I'm using these metallic clips to hang my photographs and to-do list. Oh, you're back! Yes, this is all you had to do to make this DIY. I know it was super simple and super fun to make. It has to be by far one of my favorite DIYs. It looks really nice and I love it so much. Now I can organize my sunglasses, my hair clips, my earrings, and my to-do list here, and I can even display my photographs. I'm going to do something that's really trendy and really modern these days. So basically, geometric shape decor is really in, and I have been meaning to make one for myself. But I came across this makeup brush folder and I was so impressed that this trend is being used for organization purposes as well. And I was in love, so I decided to make one for myself. What are we waiting for? Let's go and make this DIY. 2 inches long pieces from the barbecue stick. It's going to take lesser time if you do more than one at the same time. The easiest way is to make a cut and then just snap the stick in 2 pieces. Because my makeup brush holder is going to have 12 connected pentagons, I am going to need 30 pieces. I have drawn the pentagon on a piece of paper. All 5 sides are 2 inches long. First, I'll make a complete pentagon. This is going to be the base. Next, I'll make an incomplete pentagon with 4 sticks and then leave one side. Then, I'll make an incomplete pentagon with 3 sides and leave 2 sides. I'll need 3 of these. Next, I'll make an incomplete pentagon with 2 sides and I'm going to leave the 3 sides. To make the first layer of the makeup brush holder, I'm going to take the base. First, I'll take the incomplete pentagon with 4 sides and glue this to the base. Then, I'll take the incomplete pentagons with 3 sides and then start gluing these to each other. To complete the first layer, I'm going to take the incomplete pentagon with 2 sides and I'm going to glue this to the frame. I'm going to glue the joints one more so the frame is nice and sturdy. To make the second layer, I'm going to make an incomplete pentagon with 3 sides and I'm going to leave 2 sides. Next, I'm going to make an incomplete pentagon with 2 sides and I'm going to leave 3 sides. I'm going to need 3 of these. And then I'm going to start gluing this to the first layer. To complete this entire frame, I'm going to need 1 stick. Then I'm going to spray paint this in golden color. You can use any color that you like. Make sure that you spray nicely all around and inside of the frame. I love how modern and chic this DIY turned out to be. I am absolutely in love because it's also used for decor. I decided to make two, one out of 2 inches long sticks and the other out of 3.5 inches long sticks. So they are also being used as chandeliers, as plant holders, as vases. So let me show you how I'm using my own. So this is all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed the DIYs. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like this video. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then what are you waiting for? I'm showing some amazing DIY ideas that are easy and fun to make and will help you get rid of that boredom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. I'm going to leave the links in the description box below. So until next time, take care, have fun and be nice. Bye!